Welcome back, bitches. So I'm doing a empty bottles vlog video, which is basically collecting all of the empty bottles I have in my bathroom related to makeup and skincare, and just doing a full review since I've used up the entire bottle. This is just like also a way for me to declutter since I am a hoarder and I don't want to throw shit away, which is terrible. So I'm making this video so that I can throw all of these empty bottles away and actually have space for my full bottles. Alright, today I am starting with, all of these are skincare actually, so ignore my makeup part. So the first empty bottle, it's an empty container, but it is a sleeping mask by Apu, a Korean brand. This is a kind of lip mask, that you would put on overnight, hence the name lip sleeping mask. But this one is in the fragrance, honey and milk. This one is really great. I love the texture. It feels like velvet, you know, on your lips. I don't use this as a lip sleeping mask because my lips are fucking chapped all the fucking time. And so I just use this as a lip balm and it honestly works wonders. It is expensive though. Where I get it, it's expensive. So I don't really buy it as often as I would like a normal lip balm, like a Vaseline lip balm. But you know, during the winters, I kind of need this. So it's a Korean brand and I fucking love it. It's amazing. I literally probably used up 3 of these, or maybe 4, like all the way to I like scrape it off with my finger. That's disgusting. But like, I like get into the nooks, you know, I get every single bit of this because it really does help moisturize your lips really, really well. So if you have severely chapped lips like me, I highly recommend this. I give this 9 out of 10 because it's kind of expensive for a tiny ass tub. So 9 out of 10. Next, I have this container. I've mentioned this before, but it is the Vanilla Cow Clean and Zero Cleansing Balm. I have gone through 3 of these actually. So this is my third empty container, empty jug, all done. I would say that I really like this because it really gets rid of all your makeup and it doesn't feel like disgustingly oily like those, like, you know, the ones that separate and you have to shake them to, like, I hate those so much. And this melts all your makeup off and it feels super nice and like hydrating, but it is quite a small like container and size. I'm pretty sure you can get a bigger size, so I recommend getting that. You get more value. I would highly recommend this. I don't know about your skin type. I'm a normal to oily skin, I think. I'm not sure. I highly recommend this. Sorry, but like, maybe you can see, but my skin has been breaking out because masks, and I've masked me. So I'll probably do a video on that because I'm like trying to figure out how to fix it because I've never had acne before. So stay tuned for that video. Yeah. I would give this 8.5 out of 10 because it's small, not like super expensive. I don't go out and get a new tub every single time it runs out. I have to like wait a while and just be like, okay, what's my life been without this product? And then like wait out like a few weeks and then be like, okay, I kind of need to buy this because like I don't like any other makeup remover. So I do get this sometimes. 8.5. You know what? 8.9 out of 10, okay? It doesn't reach the 9, but it is good. Next, the fucking Mario Badescu drying lotion. Now this isn't empty, it's just the alcohol is not there, so it's not usable, okay? This motherfucker is literally the worst investment I've ever made. Like what, 180 Hong Kong? Almost $200 for this that doesn't even work, and it dried out my skin so much that it was peeling, and it did not help my pimples at all. Like, I don't know why people are so into this. Like, I've seen people wear this in like Snapchats and videos and shit, and like with their drying lotion on their skin overnight, and honestly does not work, and I hate this so much. And I want to become best friends with everyone who hates this because it is genuinely such a bad thing. Negative 6,000 out of 10. Fuck that. Next, this Anessa skincare. I feel like I'm sounding annoying. Sorry. Let me. Next, now this one I bought because it was like plastered on all the walls in the store. It's like #1 sunscreen in Asia. Buy it now. What? So I was like, okay, marketing got me. Like this runny kind of sunscreen. This is my brother, Toby. Check him out on his YouTube channel. I will link it down below. Okay, so this is like a watery sunscreen, and it was so expensive for what it is. It was like $230 Hong Kong. I don't know. I used it up because I need to use sunscreen every day, and it's not like terrible. Doesn't leave like too much of a white sheen. It feels good. It just isn't anything special. I use the Biore sunscreen now, and it is so much cheaper, $70. I don't see the difference. It's a good product. It works. It's too expensive. 6 out of 10. Sorry. Next, the Pixie Glow Tonic. Now this is like kind of a cult favorite, right? And I got like a small size at Sephora. It was $100 for this. My hands are kind of big, so I don't know why this is a comparison. Okay, so this is an exfoliating toner, and I was looking for one of these because I tried to use the Ordinary, like the red, like chemical exfoliator, and it completely like tortures me. It's torture every time I put it on, so I was like, maybe I'll find something a little bit more gentle. So I found this, and it was really nice. I did see results like the next day. I found that my skin was like more smooth, and I saw that like my skin was more glowy. For real, I was kind of glowy and dewy the day after. I guess we'll continue, shall we? I would rate this an 8.6 out of 10. Effective, but I don't see myself buying it again. Next, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. I don't know, I feel like Kiehl's has such a great reputation. Yeah, as they should. But this Ultra Facial Cleanser, not vibing with. It does not pass the vibe check. Sorry. It's got all these like words that are like, wow, amazing. How can like one little bottle do so much shit, you know? It looks great. Like I feel like it would solve all my problems for the price, you know? It's like 200 something, I think. I'm not sure. I thought it would be like great for my skin. Like this is the cleanser that I'm gonna stick with my entire life, and I've been using it for maybe like 4 months, maybe even more. I couldn't see any improvement in my skin. I'm not saying that it worsened my skin, because I know that for a fact that it's the masks that I've been wearing. It didn't help when my skin got bad. If my skin was like alright, mediocre, it stayed mediocre, okay? And when my skin was bad, it stayed bad. And this just didn't do anything for me. I just bought, because I'm done with this, right? I just bought the CeraVe hydrating cleanser that everyone's raving about, like Hiram's raving about, you know? Literally just one time last night, and my skin has become smoother already. So this did me kind of dirty, like did my wallet dirty, did my skin dirty, did my expectations dirty, because this was just nothing. I felt like it would be the same if I washed my face with water every day and not used a cleanser. Don't come for me, Kiehl's. I love you. I love your toner. I love it. Sorry. This is like a 4 out of 10. Sorry. Last but not least, the Centella Green Level Buffet Serum by Purito. Purito is a Korean brand, and I think I've seen Hiram like rave about this before, and it's honestly really nice. It's no fragrance. Oh wait, there's no more. I forgot. There's no fragrance. I didn't see anything different with my skin. I like felt better because it, you know, this was natural and it like smells very natural. But I never really saw anything different when I used it. This one, I would rate probably like a 7 out of 10. Like, I could see this helping a lot of people. It's just that maybe I didn't need it. Or maybe I was already using too many products on my skin when I used this, which is kind of true. I kind of went crazy on YesStyle and bought like a bunch of Korean skincare to try. Don't know if I even need a serum right now because I feel like my skin is just like, dude, just cleanse and moisturize and you'll be okay. Yeah, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Like, I know she's good for a lot of people, you know? It's got a lot of good stuff inside, so she is alright. Certified freak, 7 days a week. That is all for my empty bottles video. I will now proceed to throw these away. Well, I'll try. And thanks for watching.